In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 budget to best 2026 upgrades mobility scooters on Amazon. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 budget to best 2026 upgrades mobility scooters on Amazon. Number 1, Electron Volt Rider Transport 4AF Automatic Folding Mobility Scooter. Lightweight 51 pounds travel scooter, airline and cruise approved, lithium battery, key fob remote, front basket, blue, automatic folding system folds and unfolds effortlessly using the included key fob remote for maximum convenience. Lightweight 51 pounds design ultra-portable construction makes transportation and storage simple for everyday travel, airline and cruise approved equipped with a travel-friendly lithium battery for vacations, flights, and cruise adventures. Stable 4-wheel performance 4-wheel design provides enhanced balance and smooth maneuverability on indoor and outdoor surfaces. Front storage basket convenient basket offers space for personal belongings, shopping items, or travel essentials. Comfortable and easy to operate intuitive controls and ergonomic design provide a comfortable, reliable riding experience. The EV Rider Transport 4AF Automatic Folding Mobility Scooter is built for travelers who want lightweight portability without sacrificing comfort or performance. Weighing just 51 pounds, this compact 4-wheel scooter folds automatically at the touch of a button using the included key fob remote, making it easy to transport, store, and take wherever you go. The airline and cruise-approved lithium battery provides dependable power for daily outings and travel adventures, designed with stability and convenience in mind. The Transport 4AF features a durable, Number 2 Paiseec S3 mobility scooter for seniors, 25 miles long-lasting mobility scooter foldable, lightweight travel scooter for seniors, 300 pounds capacity, AI speed control, 250W motor grade 25 miles up to 25-mile driving range long-lasting battery supports extended daily travel on a single charge. Lightweight foldable design folds easily for convenient storage, transport, and travel. 300 lb weight capacity durable frame provides reliable support for a wide range of users. 250W high efficiency motor delivers smooth, dependable performance for everyday mobility. AI speed control intelligent speed management helps provide a safer and more comfortable riding experience. Travel-friendly mobility scooter ideal for shopping, vacations, parks, airports, and everyday errands. Comfortable ergonomic seating designed for enhanced comfort during longer rides. Easy to use controls. Simple operation makes it suitable for seniors and first-time users. Stylish gray finish modern, durable design with a sleek appearance. The Paiseec S3 foldable mobility scooter is designed to provide seniors and adults with reliable, comfortable, and portable mobility for everyday life. Featuring a 25-mile maximum travel range, this lightweight electric scooter allows users to travel farther with confidence, making it ideal for shopping trips, outdoor activities, vacations, and daily errands. Its foldable, lightweight design makes transportation and storage simple, allowing the scooter to fit easily into most vehicle trunks or compact storage spaces. Powered by a dependable 250W motor, the S3 delivers smooth acceleration and consistent performance across a variety of paved surfaces. The scooter's AI speed control technology intelligently manages speed to enhance rider comfort and improve overall driving confidence. Supporting up to 300 pounds, the durable frame is built for long-term reliability while maintaining excellent portability. Comfortable seating, intuitive controls, and a modern ergonomic design make daily operation easy for users of all experience levels. Finished in an attractive gray color, the Paiseec S3 mobility scooter offers an excellent combination of portability, performance, comfort, and convenience for maintaining independence at home and on the go. Number 3 VOCIC mobility scooters for adults seniors, mobility scooter carbon fiber, lightweight electric scooter with seat, adult motorized scooter 46 pounds. 4-wheel powered mobility scooters electric wheelchair. Ultra-lightweight carbon fiber frame weighs only 46 pounds for easy lifting, transport, and storage. Durable carbon fiber construction strong, Lightweight design built for long-lasting performance. 4 Wheel stability provides enhanced balance and confidence on indoor and outdoor surfaces. Comfortable padded seat. Ergonomic seating supports comfortable rides during daily activities. Portable and travel-friendly. Compact design is ideal for travel, shopping, vacations, and everyday use. Powerful electric drive delivers smooth and reliable performance for daily mobility needs. Easy to use controls. Simple steering and speed controls for convenient operation. Compact folding design, easy to transport and store in vehicle trunks or small spaces where applicable. Modern stylish design, sleek appearance with premium materials for a contemporary look. The VOCIC carbon fiber mobility scooter is designed for adults and seniors seeking a lightweight, portable, and dependable mobility solution. Constructed with a premium carbon fiber frame, this innovative scooter weighs only 46 pounds, making it significantly easier to lift, transport, and store compared to many traditional mobility scooters. Its four-wheel design provides excellent stability and confidence while traveling through shopping centers, sidewalks, parks, airports, and other everyday environments. Number 4 FreeWink Auto-Folding Mobility Scooter for Adults and Seniors. 40 pounds lightweight four-wheel electric scooter, remote and manual folding, 14-mile range, 275 pounds capacity. Blue, automatic folding design, folds and unfolds with the included remote control or manually for quick, hassle-free transport and storage. Lightweight 40 pounds frame, portable design makes it easy to lift into a car trunk or store in compact spaces. 14-mile travel range, long-lasting rechargeable battery provides dependable performance for shopping, travel, and daily errands. Stable four-wheel mobility, four-wheel design offers enhanced balance, comfort, and confidence on everyday surfaces. 275 lb weight capacity, durable construction supports a wide range of users while maintaining stability. Travel-friendly convenience, compact folding design is ideal for seniors and adults who need reliable mobility at home or on the go. The FreeWink Auto-Folding Mobility Scooter is designed to deliver comfort, convenience, and dependable mobility for adults and seniors. Weighing only 40 pounds, this lightweight four-wheel scooter features both remote control and manual folding, allowing it to fold in seconds for effortless transport and storage. Its rechargeable battery provides a travel range of up to 14 miles, making it perfect for shopping trips, vacations, parks, and everyday activities. Built with a stable four-wheel platform and a durable frame supporting up to 275 pounds, the scooter offers smooth handling and reliable performance on sidewalks, indoor flooring, and other common surfaces. The compact, portable design fits easily into most vehicle trunks, making travel more convenient than ever. Finished in an attractive blue color, the FreeWink mobility scooter combines portability, ease of use, and everyday practicality to help users enjoy greater independence wherever they go. Number 5 Pride Revo 2.0 4-wheel mobility scooter, 400 pounds weight capacity, comfort track suspension, heavy-duty electric mobility scooter, blue. 400 lb weight capacity, heavy-duty design provides reliable support for a wide range of users. 4-wheel stability, four-wheel configuration offers enhanced balance and confidence on various surfaces. Comfort track suspension, advanced suspension system helps deliver a smoother and more comfortable ride. Comfortable padded seat, ergonomic seating provides support during extended travel. Heavy-duty performance, built for dependable daily use both indoors and outdoors. Easy to operate controls, user-friendly steering and controls simplify everyday operation. Durable construction, high-quality materials designed for long-lasting performance and reliability. Modern blue finish, stylish appearance with a durable exterior design. 5-year extended warranty, added peace of mind with extended warranty coverage where applicable. The Pride Revo 2.0 4-wheel mobility scooter is designed to provide outstanding comfort, stability, and dependable mobility for everyday use. Featuring a robust 400-pound weight capacity, this heavy-duty scooter is engineered to accommodate a wide range of users while delivering reliable performance both indoors and outdoors. Its comfort track suspension system helps absorb bumps and uneven surfaces, providing a smoother ride across sidewalks, shopping centers, paved paths, and other common terrain. The